My name is Ghulam Haidar. Today I would like to discuss the statement how poor sitting posture at desk affects you and ways to improve it. Agenda. Simply area to be covered in this presentation: what is poor posture at desk, effects of poor posture, ergonomics guidelines for correct posture, ergonomic hacks for sitting at desk and computer, final summary and question answers. Let's see what does it mean poor posture at desk. To discuss the statement, first I want to giving some brief idea about what is posture. Posture is the position while holding down your body while standing, sitting or laying down. Poor posture refers to habitual self-imposed positioning that causes muscle pain, physical stress and mood swings at work. Let's turn to the negative effects of poor posture. Soreness and pain. Poor posture is responsible for different kinds of pains like back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain and also bad headache. It also responsible for poor circulation, negative mood and increased stress, and it also demotivate you to get the work done precisely, and also it includes poor digestion and fatigue. These are the ergonomics guidelines for correct posture. In this picture there are three scenarios. The left and middle scenario show incorrect posture at desk, while the right scenario maintain all the rules and regulation and criteria of ergonomics while sitting. Let's see some ergonomic hacks for sitting at desk and computer. Simply analyzing the word frame, we can get a better understanding of these ergonomic hacks. Like place, always try to placing your objects close to your desk so that you can better use of it while you are need. And adjust your monitor height with your eye level and height, and identify if you have made any bad posture while sitting at the desk, and notice if you need any break while at a stitch if you are sitting at your desk more than 20 or half an hour. Let's turn to the additional hacks for sitting at desk. Here 20-20 rules means that while you are sitting at 20 minutes in your desk, try to look 20 meters far for at least 20 seconds from your desk, and focus on overall your posture so that you don't have to suffer in the long run for this bad posture. And for getting a better posture at desk, buy an ergonomic chair. It eventually help you getting a better posture at desk. Make a dink and move. It a great idea while you are sitting for more than half an hour or longer. Try to make a rest between between the gap of your work. It will eventually making you more productive to precisely done your work. And flexible layout will help you getting a better posture and making your desk comfortable. And these are the ergonomic hacks from me today, and thank you for having with me. Do you have any questions?